Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working on this piece of wood that I got from my local store. It's a 1x6 and I just had it measured to fit my wall. I'm going to put this up in my laundry room. So after I sanded it and stained it, then I started to do some chalking, which is, for me, the fun part and the easy part. Those hooks are not attached yet. I just have them there for placement so I know where to chalk. I am chalking in white right now, and I have some branch pieces and some flowers, some accent pieces that I'm going to be putting on there. The flowers I'm going to chalk in Custard color, which is a very pale yellow. Now you know when this dries, it's going to be kind of embossed, raised up a little bit, but you can't rub it off. But you can take it off with a damp cloth. Now later, my husband will screw down the hooks for me and hang it. Parts that I'm not very good at, and he can do great. If you enjoyed this video and would like to look around or shop or be a designer like me, just go to sherrycriswell.chalkcouture.com. Really is my happy place. Now, there it is, all hung up, all done, aprons hung up, ready to go and show off. I love it.